Hey, what is up everybody? My name is John and this is my tech channel. Today I got some AirPods. I got a little bit of money for my birthday, so I decided to, well, I was supposed to get these for my birthday, but I decided I was going to wait till AirPods 2 came out. But from what I've noticed, it's probably not going to come out by the end of the year, so I decided to just get the first ones and I'll get the second ones when they come out. And who knows when. Some are saying March, some are saying September, who knows. If they come out, I'll sell these and get the new ones, who knows. We'll see. Here's the back. Got these for $159.99. Thought I would have got them for $154, but I guess the deal was over by the time I got there. But that's okay. So I'm gonna pop it open real quick. Alrighty, so we got it out of the package, or we got the wrapping off the package, and now it's like an iPhone box or whatever. Come on. Come on. Come on. It's not coming. Alright, unboxing right now. Oof. We got our standard documentation and Apple products. Oof. And we have our little thing of floss. Feels bigger than a floss container, but that might just be me. I don't really know. So yeah, I'd actually feel, I like this matte finish. I know it's not part of it, but it'd be cool if it was matte. I don't think there's anything else. Nope. Oh, the charger. The charger. It comes with a standard lightning cable. Maybe it'll be charged up. I don't feel like charging it right now. Hopefully they're charged. So let's I'm gonna do this with both hands. Alrighty, here they are right here. They are really small. Oh, what the button does. Maybe it means it starts charging. Very unsure. Oh, it's a light blinking, whatever that means. There they are. I'm gonna pull them out. Will this stand upright, I wonder? No, that's unfortunate. I wish it would. Stand upright. So we're gonna pull one out. Oh, magnetic. I think I did know that and I kind of forgot. Yeah, there's a little magnetic pulse in there. Here they are. Man, these are good. Let's see underneath here. See if I can get that on camera. Oh, I lost it already. Ah. Oh, I thought it would have said designed by Apple or something like that. Nope. I'm not gonna do it on camera, but they might say two different things. I'm not really sure. They weigh enough. Like, it's not like super light. I don't have any. Oh, here we go. So it's not like as light as these. Oh, here we can compare them. They're slightly longer. Looks like they're a little bigger in every direction. Then obviously added holes. Maybe I'll make a video comparing the two. I've been wanting to make a bunch of comparison videos, but never got to it. I wanted to compare a couple iPhones together, but that never happened. But this motivates me a little bit. So I'm not sure how these pair. I think you set it by the phone, but I might read the documentation to see how that works. Ooh, that felt good. Ooh. So I'm gonna see how they pair, and I'll probably have to pair it off camera. Alrighty, so some final thoughts after trying them out. They sound really good. Way better than the regular AirPods. These sound really good. I only wore them for like 10 minutes, something like that. So I have not like tested the battery or anything, and I'll test that later. I'm not sure if I'll post it or anything, probably not. But they sound really good. Almost on par with like, I have never owned a pair of Beats, but I've tried them out and they sound pretty similar. Obviously because Apple owns Beats, they probably know quite a bit about audio and used their team to help make these. I think there's a pair of Beats, your Beats maybe? I can't remember if it's those ones or the other ones. There's another one that are similar. And they might be headphones. I can't remember. I thought they were earbuds, but they might be headphones. They have the, what is it, the W1 chip or whatever it's called. In it as well, so it has the same pairing process, I believe. If I'm correct, I'm not absolutely sure. I'm pretty sure it's like that. from what I remember hearing and watching videos on. But yeah, so I recommend these if you have the money. They are expensive, but since I didn't pay the full price for these, since I had gift cards specifically for AirPods 2 was what I was going for, but obviously I couldn't wait. I really couldn't wait. I really wanted to be able to use my charger, my lightning charger, while listening to YouTube videos and music or whatever, and you really can't do that with the way that it was set up before. Even with a wireless pad, you don't want to hold a wireless pad on the back of your phone while you have your headphones in. It's kind of awkward. So yeah, I suggest them. We'll see how the battery life is. Use that lightning port. I kind of do wish these were wirelessly chargeable. That'd be really nice. But now I have to actually use my charger, which it came with one, so it's okay. So yeah, thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.